Hello students, we are going to start exercise 13.6. The first question is the circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel. In this exercise, we will find the volume of the cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. Let's start the question number 1. The circumference of the base of cylindrical vessel is a 132 centimeter and the height is 25 centimeter. Suppose this is a cylindrical shape. According to the question, circumference of the base, that is equal to, given this is the circumference of the base, this is a 132 centimeter and the height is 25 centimeter, and how many liter of the water can it hold? It means we have to find the capacity of the cylinder. Means we have to find the volume of the cylinder. The first of all, we find the r of the cylinder, radius of the cylinder. What is the given circumference of the base? That is a circular. (132 centimeter). Circumference is a shape of the circular. Base is a shape of circular. So circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. 2 pi r, that is equal to 132 centimeter. Pi, we use the value is a 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. We have to find the value of r. Other will be divide other side. The number who's a multiply this side, divide this side, or divide this side, multiply other side. So we get, after the solve, we get radius is equal to 21 centimeter. Now volume of cylindrical vessel. What is the formula of the volume of the cylinder? Cylinder is a pi r square h. We have r, that we have already find. H is a given. Put this all the value in this formula. Then we get 22 by 7. R is a 21. R square, 21 write 2 times. And the H is a 25. Multiply all the number. Then we get 34,650 centimeter cube. Now, according to the question, we required the volume in liter. So, convert centimeter to liter. Capacity of vessel is equal to, as we know that 1000 centimeter, that is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, that is equal to 1 liter. So we have to convert centimeter to liter, then we divide by 1000. Further solve it. Then we get 34.65 liter. That is, a vessel can hold 34.65 liter of water. Question number 2. The inner diameter of cylindrical wooden pipe is 24 centimeter and this outer diameter is a 28 centimeter. The length of the pipe is 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe. If 1 centimeter cube of wood has a mass of 0.6 gram, the inner diameter of the cylinder is this diameter, that is equal to 24. So it means the radius of this is a 12 centimeter, that is denoted by R1. Now next is the outer diameter, this, that is equal to 28 centimeter. So radius of this is 14 centimeter, that is denoted by R2. Now the length of the pipe is, the height of the pipe is 35 centimeter. that is a 35 centimeter. Find the mass of the pipe. So first of all we have to find the volume of wood. We require the volume of this thing. So we will subtract the volume of this part from this part, right? The formula of this volume become pi into r1 square minus r2 square into h, or r2 minus r1, because r2 we taking this and r1 taking of inner. This is the inner radius and this is a outer radius. So we taking r2 is here and r1 is here, right? Put the all the values in this formula. Pi 22/7, r2 is a 14 square minus r1 is 12 square. H is equal to 35. It will be cut. 22 into 5 is a 110. Now 14 square is a 196, 12 square is a 144. Using subtract this number and multiply this number and we get 5720 centimeter cube. Now the mass of 1 centimeter cube pipe is 0.6 gram. We have to find the total mass of pipe. 1 centimeter cube, that is a 0.6 gram. Then mass of pipe 5720 centimeter cube, that is equal, multiply, then we get 3432 gram. When we change gram to kilogram, divided by 1000, so 3.432 kilogram. This is the mass of this pipe. Question number 3. A soft drink is available in 2 packets. The first is a tin, can be rectangular. The base is a length is a 5 centimeter, width is a 4 centimeter, and having a height of the 15 centimeter. It means this tin is a shape of cuboid. Now second is a plastic cylinder with the circular base of the diameter is 7 centimeter, height is 10 centimeter. Which container has a greater capacity and by how much? In that case we have to find the volume of these two. The first is, let's start the solution. The first is capacity of tin can, the area of base into height. Area of base means length into breadth, and the height is means length into breadth into height. Area of base into height. The area of base is given 5 into 4 and the height is 15. Multiply, that is equal to 300 centimeter cube, because the unit is in centimeter. Now second soft drink is a pack in the cylindrical shape. The capacity of the plastic cylinder. What is the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Pi r square h. Pi is a 22/7. Here is a diameter is given. So it means radius is a 7. Diameter is a 7. D is a 7/7 and the radius is a 7/2 centimeter. So put this value in this formula. R square means 7 by 2, 2 times. H is of cylinder is 10. Multiply, then we get, multiply all these three number, 385 centimeter. Which container has a greater capacity and by how much? Cylindrical container has a greater capacity by 85 centimeter cube, right? Now start the question number 4. If the lateral surface area of a cylinder is 94 centimeter cube and the height is a 5 centimeter, find the first is the radius of the base and the second its volume. In this question we use the pi is equal to 3.14. Let's start the solution. The first given lateral surface area, that is equal to 94 centimeter cube. Lateral surface area of cylinder, the formula of the lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, that is an equal to 94.2. H is a given. H is equal to 5 centimeter. Put all the values in this formula. Pi here we use a 3.14 as I told you in the question. 3.14. R we don't know. H is equal to 5. That is equal to 94.2. Now put all, we have to find the value of R. Other value is a multiply. Other side it will be divide. Right? Now remove the decimal. Remove the decimal of this number. Right? Zero. And this is 2. Only 3 is left. So radius is a 3 centimeter. Now next is the second. This is a part first. Second is its volume. We have to find the volume. Volume formula of the cylinder is pi r square h. Simply put all the values in this formula. Pi we using a 3.14. R is 3 square and h is 5. This is a 3 square means 9. 9 into 5 is a 45. When we multiply 3.14, then we get 141.3 centimeter cube. Question number 5. It cost is rupees 2200 to the paint the inner curved surface area of cylindrical vessel is 10 meter deep. Total cost of paint is given and the height of the cylinder is given. If the cost of painting at the rupees is rupees 20 per meter square, 1 meter square cost is rupees 20 is also given. Now we have to find the first is the inner curved surface area of the vessel and the second the radius of the base and the third is the capacity of the vessel. So let's start the solution. The firstly we find the inner curved surface area of vessel and we have given cost of painting. Cost of the painting is rupees 2200. If rate is rupees 20 per meter is given. Now how can we find the area? We divide in this 2, then we get the inner curved surface area. The first part, inner curved surface area divided by this 2 number, 20 total cost and per meter cost. Total cost is a 2200 and the per meter cost is rupees 20. When we divide, then we get the area. 110 meter square. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is 110 meters square. Now second, we have to find the radius. As we know that the inner curved surface area is a 110. What is the formula of the inner curved surface area? Is 2 pi r h. That is equal to 110. H is a given. That is a 10 meter. H is a 10 meter given. Right? Now put now all the values in this. Pi we use a 22/7. R we have to find. H is a 10 meter. Now next is we have to find the value of R. Other value it will be divide other side. What is the left is 2. R is equal to 7/4 meter, or we can say that 1.75 meter. Now third part is left. Third part is the capacity of the vessel. Capacity means we have to find the volume of the vessel. That is equal to pi r square h. Pi is a 22/7. R is 7/4. Here we are using a 7/4. R square means 7/4 2 times. H, that is a given, that is equal to 10. Put all the values and multiply this all the value. Then we get 96.25 meter cube. This is the capacity of the vessel. Question number 6. The capacity of closed cylindrical vessel of a height 1 meter is a 15.4 liters. In that questions, the capacity is a given, means volume is a given, height is also given, and how many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it. In that case, we have to find the surface area, total surface area of the cylinder. Then we can find the how many square meters of metal sheet is required. Right? Let's start the solution. The firstly, what is the given capacity of closed cylindrical vessel? That is in liter. Capacity of closed that is equal to 15.4 liter. Now we have to convert liter to centimeter cube. Then multiply by 1000, because 1000 centimeter cube, that is equal to 1 liter. Right? Then we get 15,400 centimeter cube. Right? Now height is equal to 1 meter. Convert meter to centimeter, that is equal to 100 centimeter. Now volume is 15,400 centimeter cube is given. What is the formula of volume? Is a pi square h. Pi square h, that is equal to 15,400 centimeter cube. In that case, h is also given. We have to find the value of r. Pi the value, put the value of pi 22/7, r square as it is. H is 100. Other value, this value, divide other side. R square, that is equal to 49. So R is equal to 7 centimeter by square root both side. Right? Now we have to find the how many square meters of the metal sheet is required. In that case, we have to find the total surface area. Area of metal sheet needed. we use the formula of total surface area because the cylinder is closed. That's why using a total surface area. Pi r, 2 pi r into r plus h. We have the value of r and the value of h. Put all the values in this formula. And the pi we will assume 22 by 7. 2 into 22 by 7. R is 7. Here is 7 plus 100. 7 will become 44. 107. Multiply. We get 4708 centimeter cube. Sorry, square. That is a area. Now, we required the answer in the square meter. Now we have to convert centimeter square to meter square. Then divide by 100 2 times. We get 0.4708 meter square. This is the required answer of this question.